MELAtrace Pro will issue a notification that cleaning and disinfection have been completed successfully. Please click on Yes to start the batch approval. The program log will now be displayed. You can control the relevant process parameters using the scroll bar and record your remarks in the text box. Then, either provide approval to all or individual load elements, or withhold approval from the complete batch. This video demonstrates the course of batch approval using the example of withholding approval from individual load elements. Please confirm your selection by clicking on Next. To withhold approval from individual load elements, please select them and assign them with a reason. You can enter a new reason in the text box on the lower edge of the screen. And assign it using the plus symbol. Click on Next to obtain a list of all successfully cleaned and disinfected load elements. Load elements marked for sterilization under the Load Management tab have already been pre-selected for the subsequent loading of the steam sterilizer. Should you wish to sterilize further instruments, please mark them with an X as well. Please click on the Next button to access the washing and disinfection report. In addition to the information about load and approval, the text and graphic logs are also attached here. Using the Completed button finishes the batch approval. You can now continue with loading the steam sterilizer.